Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to enable Vanish Mode on Messenger. If you're using the latest version of Messenger, Meta has largely replaced Vanish Mode with disappearing messages in end-to-end encrypted chats. So to enable disappearing messages in Messenger, open the Messenger app, then open a chat, for example, this one. Next, tap their name at the top, just like so. So first, make sure the chat is end-to-end encrypted. Then scroll down and go to disappearing messages. Turn it on and choose how long messages should remain before disappearing. So you can choose 24 hours, 7 hours, depending on your device. So I only have 24 hours in here. I'm going to select that just like so. Now, if you still see Vanish Mode, some Messenger versions and regions may still show the older Vanish Mode feature. So what you need to do is to open a one-on-one chat, then swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen and release. Then the chat will switch into Vanish Mode and messages sent there will disappear after they're seen and you leave the chat. Now, if the option isn't available, you can update Messenger to the latest version. You can do that by going to Play Store or App Store, then search for Messenger, and you should see the update button in here and just tap on that to update Messenger app. And that's basically it. I hope that solves the issue. Thanks for watching.